Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter. So today in this video, I will teach you how to install Google Chrome in computer. So first of all, your computer should be connected to internet. Go to search bar menu and search Internet Explorer. Here remove the above link and search Google Chrome. Open the first link and download it. Google Chrome has been downloaded. Open it now. Sign into it. It is ready to search. If you like the video, then like and share it. And if you're new on the channel, then subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.